to the left, referee. I think that's sideways, but being within the range of it's okay. Half of that to go at St Mary's, so that's fantastic. Down the hill from slightly off his tail, so now we can focus on Phil Wickham, who's up ahead.
Yeah. Can he get a cumulative tow? A bit more than that?
Getting back on the track on the back foot. I put red stripe up the nose and Spark Bates on the inside and it's pushed. Fabulous race.
Very good waves in acknowledgement to Phil Hindley.
Well, Phil Hindley